Hi guys, hello, namaste everyone. So guys, behalf of today's day, let's see guidance from Mahabharat and Ramayan. So let's start. Okay, so here's your card, loyalty. Now I am sensing channeling a lot of messages with this one card. So the very first thing is I would start from you people itself, that always be loyal, not with respect to others only, but it is the start from within yourself. Please be loyal with yourself. If you're feeling something and if you're doing something else, then please, you're not loyal to yourself. If you are ignoring your mental state of mind, your emotions, your physical body, you're not loyal to yourself, because then some or the other day this will come over you, on you. Understand that. Now next thing I would say with this card, that yes, that please try to be loyal with others also. This is with yourself also and with others also, because loyalty is very rare nowadays. And if you are someone unique who is loyal, I don't think so mm, it will harm you in any way. You may feel some of do have that thinking that loyalty gives us nothing, just disappointment, hurt, betrayal, and this and that. But guys, like, I would like to say one thing, that people who are behaving like this with you, do you even know what are they facing in their life? Looking their outside life, you may feel that they are so happy, nothing happens to them, but within their life, do you even know what's happening also? So I would really like to say one thing with this card. So please stay loyal as much possible in life. First with respect to yourself, then with others, then be loyal to your work, to whatever you're doing in your life, your purpose. Okay, let's see guidance from Ramayan. Okay, cosmic timing. Okay, so maybe some things are not working in your favor, or so, or maybe you're doing something and something else is happening. So here's a message for you, that cosmic timings, because maybe the time is not favorable, because there might be some changes happening in the universe, and that is why this is all happening. In this, you need to learn something. I won't say that you stop yourself also. You need to learn something in this time. You need to acknowledge it. Maybe universe is guiding to go towards spirituality, so try to acknowledge it. You can pray the divine deities over here, they will help you. Spirituality in such cases helps a lot, so do acknowledge it. Thank you.